Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Matching Presents by Strosahl. This, of course, continues our December Advent theme, where we're going to have 25 holiday-related puzzles, or sometimes just winter-related, but all in good fun. So, this puzzle, very simple rules today. Standard 6x6 Sudoku rules, so in each row, each column, and each 2x3 box, we have the digits 1 through 6 exactly once each. Now, these two presents that are in the grid, the green and the red present, are exactly matching. So they're clones. So in the same relative position within the present, we have the same digit. So these two digits are the same, these two digits are the same, etc. That's it. That's all we got. There is a link in the description if you'd like to try the puzzle yourself, and I'm going to get started right now. Okay, so usually what we want to do is like cross-reference, like, okay, these can't be 1 or 2, which means these also can't be 1 or 2. But so let's take this cell, for example. We know it can't be 1 or 2, but it also can't be 4. So it's down to 3, 5, 6, just as an example. Because we only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 placed here. So we're not going to just be able to use the givens. We know that none of these can be 3, 5. So these cells are not 3, 4, or 5. So these are 1, 2, 6. In fact, every cell can be 6 until we find a cell that can only be 6, and then that helps. So this cell here, this top right, already sees 1, 3, 5 naturally. It doesn't see anything extra here, but 1, 3, 5 means that we need to be 2, 4, 6. How is this going to help us? I wonder if there's like, let's see, these aren't 4. These aren't 4. I'm looking at what can't be 4, just I don't know, at random. I picked the 4. It seemed like it might be powerful. And then we know this cell can't be 4 as well, obviously. So this whole column can't be 4, and this box can't be 4. So that does this then. We aren't required to have a 4 in the clone. I don't think. None of these are 3, and this isn't 3. There's 2 places for 3. Do I just need to pencil the whole clone? I may just have to pencil the whole clone. Okay, let's start with... Oh, I did the top left here. Why did I do this top left? Did I mess this up? I might have messed this up already. Yeah, this should have been the 1, 2, 6, right? Oh, and this can't be... So these two are the same. They can't be 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, these are not the 2. Okay. So I messed that one up. These two are the same. These two... Okay, that was the only one I messed up. Let's do this one. So it can't be 1, could be 2, can't be 3, 4, 5, could be 6. This one here can't be a 2, could be 1, can't be 2, could be 3, can't be 4, could be 5, 6. And this one over here, may have to do with like where some of these digits end up. We may have to color, but we'll see. Can't be 1 or 2, could be 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Actually can't be 5 because of this 5 here. Okay. So we don't have any like obvious pairs or quads or anything, right? I was thinking maybe this was helpful, but it doesn't seem to be. We have the 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 represented, so. Actually, 5 in this column, though. This 5 can't be here, right? This 5 says not here, and so you can see nothing else can be 5 except this one. So that's nice. This can't be a 4. So 4 is definitely one of these two, which means 4 is one of these two. Okay, let's see if we can perform some coloring Sudoku here. So we know these two are the same. Is there like one that's going to be... Oh wait, hold on. Placing that 5 places this 5. Let's make sure we get that done. Cleans that up. Gotta keep the clones in line. Okay, and that lets us place the 5 in this box. And can we place the 5? Okay, there's a 5 up here. There's a 5 down here somewhere. So these 2 digits, whatever this digit is, it goes over here. Whatever this digit is, it goes in one of these two. I'm trying to see if any of them are further restricted. These 2 digits, they end up here. These 2 end up here. The problem is it could just be the 3. The 5s we took care of, and then these 2 digits, they end up here. So there's not like any additional eliminations because of that. Curious. I'm really just not seeing. Okay, we have a 4 in one of these 2 cells. You know there's a 4 in one of these 2, 4 in one of these 2. Does that help me? Okay, so let's pencil this one. This can be 2, 3, can't be 4, 5, could be 6. Everything can be 6. Wow. These 2 are the same. I feel like it's going to be something like these 2 that's going to be helpful. So like let's just call this purple. This is the purple digit. Purple ends up in one of these 2 cells. It's kind of what I'm talking about. But the problem is like they don't see anything new that I can eliminate. They don't see a 2. 2 in this box is actually in one of these 2 cells. We could mark that. In general, this box just needs 1, 2, 5, 6. So this is 1, 5, 6. This is any of 1, 2, 5, 6. We could call this digit. I don't know if this digit's helpful. The 5 was helpful. I'm really confused. All right, this 2 looking in here puts a 2 in one of these 2. Huh. One's in one of these 2. I'm really not getting much out of this. Purple can't be 5. So purple's in one of these 2 as well. Two or 6. So if it's here, it's 6. If it's here, it's 2 or 6. Okay, so this 5. So these 2 digits end up here. Oh. Right. Okay, so that's should have seen that. Basically 3 in this box is in one of these 3 cells because they can't be down here. And so this can't be a 3. In general, they can't be a 1 either. Yeah. So these 3 digits end up here. I should have looked at the roping. So if these 3 digits end up here, the only digits available are 2, 4, 5, 6. So the 1, 3 doesn't work. This is a 6. And that's our 1. That's a 1. That's a 1. We get our 5 here. This is a 2, 6 pair. So the 1, the 6 gets placed here. Okay. 5 gets placed here. I don't think my color is helpful at this point. Well, actually it is, because this 6 looks up. So that's 2, that's 2. That makes that a 2. We know 2's up here. Okay, now I don't need my colors. So that's not 2, that's not 2, that's not 6. Okay, that's all keeping in line. This is our 6 and 3. That's our 4 and 6. That makes that 4 and 6. Okay, now it should just be normal Sudoku. We have a 4 here, a 3 here. This column needs a 4. This column needs a 3. This row needs the 4. This is 1 and 2. This is 1 and 3. This is a 3, giving us the 1, 3, 2, and 1. Gives us the 2 and the 6, and we're done. Well done. Merry Christmas. You too. All right. So yeah, it was the roping here and here that I just didn't see for the longest time. But yeah, that was a really powerful way to kind of notice that, which it's difficult to notice unless you kind of just think about the roping directly. You could notice that 1 and 3 were limited up here, and that does point, and that would have done the same thing. But yeah, really interesting. Took me a bit to find. I was surprised. Neat puzzle, Strosahl. Once you see the trick, it just kind of unfurls from there. But that's all we really need. Cool. Well, let me know how you did, and if you enjoyed it, why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.